Monetizing your app doesn't have to mean annoying ads or complicated subscriptions. Imagine adding a steady stream of income with just a few lines of code without disrupting your user's experience. CastarSDK lets your app generate revenue quietly in the background by utilizing the device's idle network resources. There are no ads, no pop-ups, and no extra maintenance required on your part. It's perfect for utility apps, networking tools, system services, or companion apps that stay online for longer periods. Once integrated, CastarSDK automatically manages everything, including data processing and revenue tracking. This means you can focus on building a great product, while CastarSDK works silently behind the scenes to add passive income. If you want an easy, user-friendly way to monetize your app without compromise, CastarSDK is the solution you've been looking for. Discover more at CastarSDK.com.